Welcome to the Sundowner by the Burj as we celebrate Vidhi and Dinesh's 25th anniversary in style. Come on, everybody, round of applause. Woo! So, 29 December 1994 was the day that these two lovebirds got hitched in Hyderabad. And ever since then, their lives have intertwined so beautifully and their connection has only grown stronger and stronger. There have been the best of times as well as some rough waters, but this couple has withstood it all and evolved together to be something that I personally can only aspire to have in my life. And I'm so happy to even be a witness to this reaffirmed commitment to each other. In case anyone was wondering, as you can see by my striking resemblance to the man, I'm their son Tanishq, and for some reason they've decided to entrust me with the responsibility to conduct the renewal of their vows and their commitment to each other. I was lucky enough to inherit my dad's looks, and for once I was actually able to be as organized as mom to put this speech together somehow. But I have to be honest, before we get started, their relationship would not be the same if not shared with the close people that we have here today with us. And this ceremony would not be complete either. So me personally, I need your energy to get this party started. So are we ready to get started, everybody? Woo! Okay, so to get this ceremony started, first up, we have the man of the hour, the heartthrob of Vidhi's dreams. If he could actually stop taking all of the blankets so she could have those dreams, Dinesh Sajnani!
सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, किरणें हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। जो ही बदली दिल की ताल है, आया एक ख्याल है, पाते हमें जिंदगी एक बार, क्यों न करे खुल के हम इसका प्यार, जाने किसका है हमें इंतजार, कि जिंदगी यही है और यही। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। सूरज की बाहों में अब है ये जिंदगी, कितने हैं सांसों में, बातों में रोशनी। Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Oh, shall I stay? Would it be a sin? Oh, if I can't help falling in love, like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my heart.
Every girl has a perception of their life partner. Honestly, I didn't. I used to believe we met by chance, but now I know that the universe put us together with joy and given me a sense of peace that I've never known. There are so many things I admire about you. Most importantly, your thoughtfulness and your ability to keep me grounded. 25 years ago, I pledged to walk this journey together with you, and you made it so. You stood by me through the best and not so best. In spite of everything, you loved me for all that I am. Today, by the blessing of Almighty, I reaffirm my love for you forever, because the best decision I've ever made is to spend the rest of my life with you. I love my life because it gave me you, and I love you because you're my life.
Actually, I want to not miss a single word what I mean for her. So I'm also going to do it by the list that I've actually made for her. Excuse me for that. Wow. How time has actually really flown, it's amazing. 27 years back when I took you as a close friend, 27 because we knew each other 2 years before. I wanted to have you as one of my best friends, and later when I came to know that you are actually planning on getting married, that's when I felt the longing for you that I couldn't live with a person without you, So when I found out that you were planning on getting married, my love for you actually grew, and I decided that I never want to lose you. So it's been 25 years now, time has moved on so fast, but you still remain on my side through everything that has happened. As I stand in front of all our loved ones here, I can confidently say that you are one of the main reasons for my success and peace. From raising our children, such beautiful children, from improving me as a person, as a father, and to take care of my great family with the best way you could possibly do. I can say from the bottom of my heart that falling in love with you, marrying you, and choosing you as a life partner was the best decision I've ever done.
Hey, coffee.
Okay. Beautiful messages, and just in time for the vows. So, can we have your vows prepared? We'll start with you.
I promise to love and support you as we continue to grow and learn. I promise to share the rest of my life with you, which also means sharing popcorn and ice cream. I will promise to always notice you get your hair cut. I will try to be awake when you watch Netflix after midnight. I promise to always remember that laughter is life's sweetest creation. I will never stop laughing with you. Thank you for being always with me.
Now, Dad's part.
Yeah.
Now if he can top that or not.
Okay. Firstly, I vow to give you all my time and presence every day. It's been a long time. You've always respected my work, you've allowed me my space, and you have let me do what I want in terms of my career. Now, after a milestone and a lot of blessings that I have to thank for, I chose you first. I promise that I will give priority to you and then everything else in life. The second one, I vow that I will always call and update you when I land in another country, which I never do actually. So you aren't worried about me, and that you can be organized with my timings. So yeah, I've made all the vows in such a way that everything is going to mean, yeah. So I promise, I really didn't do it over. So yeah, the third one, I vow to respect you and your decisions. For the past 25 years, you've stood by me whether I was right and many times wrong. But now, I will put a constant effort to listen to you and not to take you for granted. Well, you have to admit a bit of your mistakes, what you've done in the past. Okay, this one is special, which I thought about just today and I changed something else, because this is something I want to do. Your creativity and your urge for new projects with a lot of things I've seen this year has shown me a side of you that is quite similar to me. That means you are quite persistent in doing something. So I vow to take out time and help you set up your own personal project. Yeah. Lastly, as I've always done throughout the life, I've always surprised you with a lot of things and you've always liked my surprises, right?
Surprising.
Yes, so I want to do a small surprise. I'm not so sure if I'm one of the great actors, but yeah, let me give it a shot. So there's a surprise which I want to do. Can we have my prop, please?
What's happening?
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेबाक मुस्कानियाँ, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयाँ, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं, जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान. That's a favorite actor with your favorite line. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Now, by the power vested in me by the Sajnanis, I now pronounce you husband and wife again.
Actually, I've prepared a long speech.
Oh my god.
I was waiting for this day. Yeah, your paper's coming out. We have the time, we have the light, so. No, I'm good.
I'll hold the mic.
Okay. Vinay, keep quiet, please. Okay, I would like to thank everyone for being here for the special occasion of the Nation Elite Class 25th anniversary. Thank you, everybody. Okay, me and Dinesh know each other since 70s. Yeah,
You were born.
that was the time I was born, so obviously. Yeah, he's been my elder brother, so we know each other. He's been very protective and supportive to me all throughout. I mean, nobody in the world can expect a better brother than this. I mean, nobody ever in the world. Okay. When Dinesh finished college, I expected that, yeah, he's done with college, everything, all responsibilities are done. He'll enjoy life. Yeah, but what he did is, he fell in love and got a wife.
Life and life.
Okay, the next one, yeah. Yeah. Okay, now, as that they got married, so I need to speak about Bobby. Okay, the bond they share is really very, very strong. The way they've gone through from their teenage times. I mean, they met in teenage and they actually raised up kids who are teenagers as well as some wonderful kids like Tanish. So whatever they've done, they've gone through tough times together, being strong always. It's really nice. I mean, we have to adore this couple always. Yeah. You know, when I was asked to prepare the speech that you have to speak, and so I was Googling, you know, going on the internet, what is the best speech, what can I do? So it said that the speech has to be maximum 5 minutes. But as now the whole list is there, so guys, please be ready for another 30 minutes, I guess. No, I'm kidding, guys. I would just like to say, Dinesh, I love you. Bobby, I love you.
Thank you.
Wow. I couldn't have a better brother also.
Thank you.
So, let's raise a toast. Everybody champagne? Nobody? One yes. Cheers. Cheers and many, many years to come.